Welcome to our deep dive into one of the foundational pillars of artificial intelligence, supervised learning. How do machines learn to recognize spam or predict prices? It's not magic, it's supervised learning. Supervised learning means giving the machine examples that include both the input and the correct answer. Each example has inputs called features and a correct target output known as a label. Training involves feeding the model thousands of these labeled examples so it can map features to their correct labels. The model makes a guess, and we measure its loss, or how far off the prediction was from the truth. Optimization processes then adjust the model's internal parameters to minimize that loss over time. Supervised learning generally handles two major types of problems: classification and regression. Classification tasks involve predicting categories, like determining if an email is spam or identifying an object in an image. Regression, meanwhile, is used for predicting specific continuous values, such as future house prices. The real goal is generalization, how well the model performs on data it has never seen before. We separate data into training, validation, and test sets to ensure the model isn't just memorizing answers. We must balance complexity to avoid overfitting, where the model memorizes noise, or underfitting, where it fails to learn patterns. A model is only as good as its data. Quality issues or biased datasets can lead to flawed outcomes. Data quality is often far more critical to success than model complexity. Developers must actively inspect datasets to identify and mitigate human biases that the AI might otherwise scale. Accuracy isn't the only metric that matters. We need a nuanced view of performance. We use precision and recall to understand how often a model is correct and how many real cases it successfully identified. Supervised learning powers many modern tools, from speech recognition to complex recommendation systems. After release, models require constant monitoring to handle changing real-world conditions and data drift. Ultimately, supervised learning relies on providing examples with known answers, allowing the model to discover the statistical relationships that power intelligent predictions.